There is tremendous relief within the whole Zulu nation following Justice Madondo's judgment today. We are grateful that he has laid to rest any argument that the king was not properly identified by the royal family as the rightful heir to the throne, and has made it very clear that His Majesty King Mangosuthu Zwelithini is indeed the undisputed successor to his father, King Zwelithini kaBhekuzulu. We trust that this will open the way for His Majesty our King to finally be coronated, as this is a legal formality. As Justice Madondo has confirmed, the King is already the de facto King of the Zulu nation, as I've always insisted. And then other people started accusing me of actually making a decision, as if that was my decision, not that of his father. I personally feel gratified that we may now see the stability that our nation has so longed. Because since the departure of His Majesty, our late King, almost a year ago, there's been instability. This has been a very painful time for the royal family and for the nation. We look forward to restored unity under the reign of His Majesty our King. I'm appealing to the nation to pray for him, because even though the matter is ended, but he must be prepared himself to take on this big responsibility. And it's a big thing that has happened, and he must be prepared to take it. He must be ready himself. The matter of the late King's estate, of course, shall be dealt with in accordance with today's judgment, as we all said. We wish to thank the Deputy Chief Justice Madondo. We thank him for his wisdom. We thank him for his fairness in dealing with matter and great care in judging the matter. Thanks so much. Siyabonga kakhulu.